Saved by Carey Price, this time up Ben Smith. There's that fourth line again. Gardner's shot. There was a redirection up in the face of Emelin. And he's hurt it. Caught him in the face or the neck. He's checking for blood right now.
Well, he's hopeful that the visor might have absorbed some of that shot. He was trying to front Smith there and get to the puck. And so often for the defensemen, they're just got a body in front of them, so they're not even looking to where the puck is. And so often your face is turned and you have no time to react. Gardner's got his head up trying to get one through a crowd, and it got deflected right up. Well, it looks like the chin, and it rolled right up his chest. That might have protected him a little bit. It doesn't look like it cut him anyways, Jim.
So here again is trying to beat Carey Price, looking for a redirection, and they got it there, but it didn't get to the net.